Alright, oh, and we get our lives refreshed every time?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. We're gonna blitz this game. It doesn't stand a chance, dog.
There's a severe difficulty curve towards the end.
That's alright, we got this shit. We're action gamers, bro. We're chasing that fucking dragon. We out here.
2 hours later.
He's gonna explode.
Oh.
How do you avoid that?
I have no idea.
That seems busted.
Incredible. Yeah, you were right.
What? There's a severe difficulty
it's like
spike?
every level was like baby shit until this one, and this was actually
I
hard.
told you there's like a severe difficulty spike.
Just because it's long. You can do like half this shit, then have the elevator fight, and then the other half of the shit, and the boss.
Back when I played this with a friend of mine, we, there was screaming involved.
This was the wall.
This game's amazing.
Oh, yes.
This is like one of the best parts, too.
We fucking out here.
Do you know what the main boss is named in this game?
No, I don't.
I'm not gonna tell you then. Because it's dope. Okay, in this next level, we have to break all the TVs.
All the TVs, okay.
Yes, we have to break all the TVs. Because there's like extra dialogue for breaking them.
I told you this was a trap. Man, this was a trap.
Is this to replay your magic? Or aid your health?
Yeah.
Feels more like weird 90s pop to me, but IDK what genres are, bro. Yeah, genres are
Pick up that whip.
What about the cane with the fucking cone?
Comb space.
Somewhere. Okay. Yep, incredible. Best game ever made.
Already.
Can I play as Marion if you beat the game?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my god.
He's the best character ever made!
You get behind him. Oh shit. Damn! It's like some Shao Kahn shit.
It literally was.
Holy shit. Oh, I thought you were dead.
So did I.
As I say, split health with me, but you ran in. I'm fucked.
Yeah, watch out. You're not dead though. I'm about to get back up anyway.
Yeah, I died.
He sounds like fucking Skeletor. It's great.
Skelaslam! This, I take it back. This game is amazing. The animations are oddly fluid. Yeah. It's a... Oh, sorry. Here we... Let's do it.
Oh, pick these up.
You ready? Or did we win?
Yeah.
Oh. Like the not Death Star, but also...
Yeah, this game's amazing. It's like one of the... It's the best Double Dragon game ever.
Shit.
That's whatever. You have a 0 life, so...
Oh, okay. Awesome. So they're not lives, they're extra mans.
Cha-ching.
Are they lives, guys, mans, one-ups? Does anyone truly know? Damn! Alright, here we go. That's the best ladder get on animation ever in any game, period.
Okay, so here's the problem. If we get this key, we have to keep it.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it's right here. Never mind, that's a different key.
Here's some health. You sick fuck. Alright. Please just don't throw that up. I'm gonna get behind you. How about that?
I think I threw it too soon.
Touchdown!
Oh, man. This is my lab. And this is my laboratory. Okay, so there's like an achievement or Easter egg that if you hit this the right amount of times,
I don't know, man.
it like something happens. I can't remember what it is.
Like you here. Dude, that's crazy talk. Let's bail ski.
It's bail.
Tubular. What is this? Some kind of lab?
I feel like if we made a beat 'em up, this is what the beat 'em up would be.
Yeah, you're probably right. And let's do some healing. And we don't need to split health. We're pretty much at the same spot. What we have here?
Extra life.
You want an extra man?
Sure.
Okay. I'll get the
I'm
next
going
one.
down more often than you have anyway.
I was just say, I think, well, the one in like stage 5 or whatever,
Look.
I think I got, so.
It's Bimmy and Jammy.
Fuck. Incredible. Alright.
Mistranslated mutants. It's Bimmy and Jammy.
It's poetic that I'm beating up your counterpart and you're beating up mine. Jammy is best Jimmy.
Ah. Ah.
That's alright, we got mans.
Eh.
I assume this is probably the end of the stage. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I did write the dialogue in this game. I think you're right.
I'm on the ground.
Bebop says, "What's going on?" Not shit. I'm just playing this game for the first time. I'm in awe of the tyrannosity of this fucking little shop of horrors monstrosity. How'd you have to drink both of those?
Oh, I didn't. Sorry. Thought he'd dump more.
Alright. Can he hit you? Or no. That's fine. I hit him, so. As long as I hit something, I get some health back. Tyranical.
More like Tyradical. Oops.
Yeah, fuck you. It's hit his ball. That's some Devil May Cry bullshit.
What do you mean?
I could smack the plant's fucking ball heart.
And then air guitar? Under me! Ironic, really.
I get 2, because I'm gone.
This is pointless. I am unmasked out of space and time.
Yeah?
Follow me if you dare. Oh, believe me, I dare. I double dragon dare.
Hi, Double Dragon Dare. Welcome back. We finally, we got boss fucked, and then we
Bought 9 lives.
bought 9 lives, yeah.
I know what I've just been through.
But he's gone now.
Bitch got the Gucci belt and shit.
After him.
The power of love!
Wicked.
Oh, and I'm pretty sure human bodies can't survive this transition. So,
What?
Huh?
it'll be fine. Just go.
Alright.
Don't worry about it!
Literally the power of don't worry about it. Guess what, bruh? We're Mecha Bros!
Yes!
Getting back now. Are we robots?
Oh, I don't know.
I like how we get to keep our, Whoa!
What the- oh, there's low gravity.
Yo, that was bass! That was wild. Like how we keep the mullets.
Of course. Yeah, all our hits be fucking $9.99. Get fucked.
Jesus! There's help right there!
I don't care. Why'd you walk out of the way, bitch?
That's so goofy, I love it!
You've taken my pride. You scrapped my rocket dojo, laid waste to my laboratory, broke my television, and murdered countless Williamses. All I wanted was a date. This ends now.
Oh, he's Giga Skull again.
Bone and metal.
Oh shit. Oh fuck! Whoa! What is he, a Skull Calibur boss?
I'm trying. Okay, sick.
He's oh god. Onaga.
Let me heal you. Or,
Whoa.
I want to heal you so I can heal myself.
Watch out.
Stand still. Can't believe we murdered those countless Williamses.
I mean, I can. They're kind of assholes to BH.
Get fucked. Yeah, so this isn't a new level, so if you like die on this boss, you gotta do the whole thing over again. I would imagine.
I don't know. I hope well.
He didn't have like a stage transition or whatever, so that's usually
Well, I mean. Whoa.
I just got fucking. Did he say Skull Calibur? Yeah. Did you say Skull Caliber?
Did I say Skull Calibur?
Yeah, this is your favorite Skull Caliber boss?
I fucking should have. I'd be incredibly disappointed with myself if I didn't say it. Oh.
There's healthies. Yeah. Get out here now. It's like
Literally,
flash,
it's just Onaga.
flash stepping and shit.
Literally.
I love how the final boss of this slow-ass game is just like dumbass fast. Makes me happy.
I know!
Get fucked! Shit. Can't believe we haven't died once. Like, in lost a life, I should say.
Shit.
So I guess it's better to jump over the ones on the ground. Seems like. Alright. Let me hear you.
He literally does look like Nightmare, though.
Fuck. Jesus!
Yay!
If you died here, you'd start from the part where you became robots. That's incredibly fair. I appreciate that. It's not.
Yeah, way forward, it never seems like they want to make it, like, stupid.
Say my phalanges?
Yeah. Those are bones?
I know.
Oh, shit. Oh, God. I'm sorry.
God, yes.
He just summoned missiles.
My dick went from hard as rock to soft as a snail instantly.
Oh, gross.
Seems like if you can get him on the wall on that part, you can really get some fucking mean-ass damage on him.
God.
Help.
That shit is different. That's the coolest fucking thing I've ever seen.
Oh my god!
Hey, note to self, let's not let him hit us with that again.
Oh shit.
Immolation.
Fuck. Yes!
Yes, finally. But you gotta, bro, we gotta listen to the song.
Double Dragon 3 for NES, they made stupid. Yeah, but that was like...
What?
Somebody's setting off fireworks in the distance.
I know!
And that's the soundtrack to our fucking victory.
Conciliary?
You
Bro! Conciliary!
You only have 13 lives between you, but I have faith. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Right.
Your faith paid off.
I'd hope so. This game's fun. Look at the planet in the background just getting fucked. Victory. soundtrack bops. 10 out of 10. This game's like a 10 out of 10, to be honest with you.
Radical solo. Play faster, please.
Skeletor's like one of my favorite like fictional characters too. Anyway, so. Yeah, it really didn't take that long. About 4 hours.
Yeah, a little bit less than that. We ended up starting at like 6:30.
Oh yeah.
This stream's only been XD. You gonna play the next difficulty level? Are you satiated after beating easy? I might fuck around with the other difficulties at some point.
Yeah. I mean, they're fun. Just like,
Yeah.
imagine that last level on like Double Dragon difficulty.
And you just get good.
Yeah.
Well, the nice part about this game is it's like...
Oh yeah, look, there's the dudes who helped kickstart it.
Oh yeah,
Knight Solaire, my dude.
The nice part is that it's like a slower game, so it's more about like learning their patterns and shit than like reflexes for the most part. He just wanted a date.
Legal affairs. This game, it like, man, it's different. Back. I would love to see a Double Dragon Neon too. Fucking best thing ever. Yeah! The first perspective's too difficult. This battle could go on forever. Oh shit, you got me stun locked.
I came for one thing and one thing only. A video game girlfriend.
Alright, yeah, you won. Good job, Brett. I like how it's the sound.
Yeah. Shit be like that, bro.
After I really do. 2 hours, 30 minutes, that's not bad.
You gotta click through it too.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.